Hello guys, today I'm going to talk about the DTP. So what is DTP? DTP means the dynamic trunking protocol. This feature is very great. DTP is going to negotiate between the switches to form the trunk or not. It depends on the conditions that administrator set on its interface that is connecting to the switch. So I'm not going to going deep into the introduction. I'm going to introduce you guys two key words that is using in the DTP. The first thing is a desirable keyword and the auto keyword. So what is the difference between these two keywords? Okay, so for example, like I am the administrator here. I set this interface connected to the switch 1 of the switch 0 here as the desirable. Okay, I use the letter D for the desirable. So the switch 0 here is going to send the DTP packet to the switch 1 to say, hey, I want to form the trunk. So and then the switch 1 here, it doesn't matter if the switch 1 uses desirable or the auto or the interface. It's going to form the trunk with the switch 0. This is the concept of the desirable here. So what is the auto mode here? Auto mode. Okay, auto mode. So for example, like this is the desirable here. This is the auto mode here. The auto mode, it doesn't send the DTP packet to the switch 0. It just the auto mode here just wait. Okay, it doesn't send it. It just wait. I'm sorry. It just wait for the DTP to arrive to interface and form the trunk. That's it. So that's why you have to be careful on the, for example, I am the administrator. I set this interface as the auto mode and this interface as the auto mode here. So this link never form the trunk because no one gonna send DTP message to each other. Okay, so make sure that at least between the switches has one interface must assign us the desirable mode here. Must assign, for example, like this is the auto mode, this is the desirable mode. So at least one desirable mode on the segment to make sure that this link is going to be the trunk link. Okay, so I'm going to do the configuration on this. I hope you guys understand about it. So on the switch 0 here, I'm going to create the VLAN. Okay, VLAN 10 here. I'm here to rest 10 0 10 1 here. Okay, I use the slots 54 actually like this. So I assume that I forget to I forget to configure the trunk. Okay, so I just configure the VLAN first. I'm sorry, 10 2 0 no shutdown, and then I'm going to create another VLAN for it. Make sure it's up. Okay, if you just configure the SVI, it doesn't work, so we have to configure another VLAN here. Okay, make sure it's up. So you can see that interface VLAN 10 change state to up. So IP device brief here, you can see that it's up. Okay, but the protocol is down. Okay, because there is no trunk connection. Actually, just ignore it first. Now I do the ping here, 10 0 10 2 here. As you can see that even I try, to convert a little bit, you can see that the ping doesn't work because of what? Because this link cannot carry the VLAN 10 across the link. So you have to make sure that it is a trunk link. Okay, so I have to go to interface as well as one here. I'm going to switch port mode dynamic. All right, so I'm going to use this port as the desirable port. Okay, and the next port here, I'm going to go to F0/1 switch port mode dynamic auto here. Okay, actually we can use the desirable 2 in the switch 1, but I don't want. I just want the this one as a desirable, and this one is the auto mode in this case. So okay, as you can see that I try to ping again after the trunking link is already up. So I p trunk. So interface trunk. Sorry. Okay, as you can see that the trunk is working right now. All right. So I'm going to ping again on the switch 1 I'm sorry, on the switch 0 to the switch 1, pin 10 0 10 2. Just wait a little bit. As you can see now, the success rate is 30% at the first time, the second time 100%. So this is the concept of DTP. It's going to negotiate the trunking automatically using the two keywords in the moment. In summary, the first one is the desirable mode and the second one is the auto mode. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and thanks you very much.